Is our cough really because of aging? A condition we have, or is polluted air also to blame? Pollution and climate change aren't just buzzwords, they're real threats to our respiratory health, especially as we age. Cities are clouded with smog, and the air in our homes might be just as bad. And think about this, are seasonal allergies getting worse due to climate shifts? It's not just an environmental issue, it's a health crisis at our doorsteps. Do you think enough is being done about it? Tell us what you think in the comments.